Top 10 simple analogies for difficult physics ideas.
Unlock the mysteries of physics by connecting abstract concepts to everyday experiences. Here are 10 simple analogies designed to make tough physics ideas much more approachable and memorable for everyone.
Gravity, the stretch sheet.
Imagine gravity as a heavy ball placed on a trampoline, causing a dip. Smaller balls roll toward it, just like planets orbit a star. Space bends around massive objects, pulling others in. This helps visualize how gravity shapes the paths of planets and moons.
Electric current, flowing water.
Think of electric current like water flowing through a pipe. The voltage is similar to water pressure, and resistance acts like a narrow section of the pipe. The stronger the pressure, the more water flows, just as higher voltage pushes more electrons through a circuit.
Atoms, solar systems.
Envision atoms as tiny solar systems. Electrons orbit the nucleus, much like planets circle the sun. Though not exact, this analogy helps us picture how particles are arranged and how they move within atoms.
Quantum superposition, spinning coin.
Superposition is like spinning a coin. While it spins, it's both heads and tails. Only when you catch it does it settle on one. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed.
Relativity, clocks on a train.
If you're on a fast-moving train, your clock ticks more slowly compared to someone standing still. Time stretches depending on how fast you're moving. This simple analogy reflects how Einstein's theory of relativity affects time and motion.
Inertia, sliding on ice.
Pushing a puck across smooth ice, it keeps moving until something stops it. Inertia is an object's resistance to changes in its motion. The smoother the surface, the less it slows down, helping us understand Newton's first law.
Entropy, messy room.
A tidy room naturally becomes messy over time unless you constantly clean it. Similarly, entropy measures disorder in a system, and the universe tends to become more disordered. This analogy helps us grasp why things move from order to chaos.
Wave-particle duality, the double role.
Light acts like both waves and particles. Imagine a person who can dance or walk, shifting between two modes. Depending on the experiment, light displays qualities of a wave or a particle, never only one.
Magnetism, invisible field lines.
Magnetism is like invisible lines of force around a magnet, just as wind moves leaves you can't see. These magnetic fields extend around objects, pulling or pushing other magnets, illustrating the reach and effect of magnetic forces.
Photon energy bouncing balls.
Imagine each color of light as a ball bouncing with different strengths. Blue light bounces harder than red. Light's colors correspond to its photons carrying more or less energy, which explains effects like sunburn or plant growth.